When it comes to listing your products in Amazon, there are common ways you can take. I will show you each method of adding a product. First is add a product in Seller Central, one product at a time. If your products are not already listed in Amazon, you can use the Add a Product option in Seller Central. Enter the product name, UPC, or ASIN to find a product and add your offer. So let me teach you how to add a product in your Seller Central account, one product at a time. Log into your Seller Central account, go to the menu, go to your catalog, and click Add a Product. In order for you to add a product that is already existing in Amazon, you need specific information. It's either product name, UPC, AAN, ISBN, or ASIN. For me, I will just go to Amazon.com and get the ASIN. Let's use this product as an example. Let me get the ASIN. You can get the ASIN from the link, and you can also go to the product information and you can check here, there's an ASIN. All right, so that's how you will get the ASIN. Let's go back to the to the find a product page or add a product page and paste the ASIN. All right, so it will give you a result of the product that you want to list based on what is existing in Amazon, and check the name, the UPC, and other identification code just to make sure that you are listing your offer into the right ASIN or into the right listing. Now click the condition. What specific condition you want to sell? Do you want to sell new or used? For this, I'm gonna sell new, and click sell this product. You will be routed to the sell product. If you look at here, most of the information is already filled out. For you, what you need to do is you need to input. So this is the recommended information that you need to submit. If you will click all attributes, if you want to put more information, then you need to click that. But for this, I will just give my offer. When you say offer, I would need to put my price, the quantity I want to sell, and what is the condition. So you put the price here, you put the quantity, the condition. Also, this part, you need to pick what fulfillment you want to use. Do you want to use Amazon as your fulfillment, or you will do it yourself? So click this part, and then once you're good to go, save and finish. Once you save and finish, your listing should be active and it should be available for sale. And your buyer or your offer can be seen in the Amazon detail page. So that's how you add a product one at a time. Also, if you are listing a product that is already existing in Amazon and you go back to the add a product page, and instead of sell this product, the option is, it says that you need permission. It means that that specific product requires approval. It could be a category approval or it could be brand gated. It means that you need to get a certain authorization or invoices or proof that you're allowed or you're authorized to resell this product. So that's how you add a product in your Amazon seller. In case of duplicate listings, consider the one with the lowest sales rank for better visibility. This method allows you to add products that are currently out of stock on Amazon.com. Add a product, create a new product through Seller Central. If you're selling something that's totally new to Amazon, just go to Add a Product section in Seller Central and pick Create a New Product. Put your item in the right category, fill in the most have information, and upload a pic that fits Amazon's rules. Once you're done, your item will show up on Amazon and people can start buying it right away. Alright, so let me teach you how to add a product in your Seller Central account. This is specifically for a product that is unique and it's not existing yet in Amazon. There could be a listing or a product that is in Amazon, however, you know that your offer is completely different and completely unique, so you need to add this product as a new product listing in Amazon. First, you need to sign up or to sign in into your Seller Central account. Go to the menu, catalog, and add a products. This is the add a product page. At the bottom, you will see I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. So we're gonna click this one. Now you need to know what specific category of product that you want to sell. For example, If you are not sure what is the category of the product, also the subcategory, because in this page, Amazon would require you to provide what is the category of the product and also the subcategory. My tip is that if you know there is a specific product in Amazon and it's kind of similar, but still it's different because you want to sell something that is different or unique, and your offer is unique. So my tip is that go to amazon.com and let's just pretend that you're selling a specific organizer. However, it's unique compared to this. Maybe you have some features that are completely different and unique, and you want it to be sold as a completely new product. However, it's very similar, the use and the purpose. How do you find, or how would you figure out the right category of your product? So what you can do is that go to amazon.com and try to figure out what is the almost similar for your product, and go at the bottom of the listing. And in the product information, you can see here bestseller rank. This product is ranked in a specific main category, which is home and kitchen. It's the top 100. And now at the bottom, you can see storage baskets, bins, and containers. This is the subcategory of the product. Now you have an idea what will be the category and subcategory of your product. So let's go to amazon.com again, and we're gonna pick kitchen, home and kitchen, base here, and you go storage and organizations, and you have storage baskets, bins, and containers. Storage, bins, basket, bins, and containers. And let's see, lidded storage bins. And from here, you decide what is the specification of your product. Let's just say that it's a shelf basket, and you select. Now you will be routed to the product detail page. It means that this is the back end. You need to input the product name, the variation if there's a variation, the brand if you have a brand name for that product, and your product ID. So for the product ID, you need to pick what is that product code that you're using. Is it a UPC? Is it AAN, GCID, or GTIN? Usually sellers use UPC, and you can purchase this from a provider of UPC. You can what I can advise as well, if you need to buy a UPC, you can go to this page. It's gs1.org. This is where you can buy a UPC. Okay, so you need a UPC first for every product and variation of your product or your offer. If you have a specific colors, then specific color, it needs to have a product ID. So be ready and have all the UPC code. So for the offer, you just need to provide this one, and you just need to move forward for the offer, images, vital info, and variations. If it's required, it will be highlighted as red, and you need to provide all this information. Once you're done, you save and continue. Your listing should be added in Amazon and be available for sale. If you are not ready yet to sell that item, you just want to list it, then you can set it as inactive, right? When you say inactive, it means that it's not being seen, it's not available yet in Amazon, and then you can just activate it when everything is good. But you can just prepare having your listing listed in your managed inventory. So this is how you list a product that is completely unique and not existing yet in Amazon. It's a new product. Add a products via upload in Seller Central using the inventory loader template. Regardless of whether your product already exists in Amazon or is a completely new product, you can use the inventory loader or new product template to upload your offers. For products already existing on Amazon, download the inventory loader and match your seller SKU with the ASIN, UPC, or EAN already in Amazon's catalog. If it is a new product, download the new product template and provide the information that Amazon requires. All right. Right now, I'll show you how to add a product via upload. Like I mentioned earlier, there's always an option for you to add products in bulk, regardless if the product is already existing in Amazon or it's a completely new product and you want to create a new listing. Make sure that you're logged into your Seller Central account and go to the menu, hover catalog, and click add products via upload. And you will be routed to this page. First, we need to go to download spreadsheets, and let's pick the right template for the situation that you want to do or the listing that you want to add in Amazon. For now, I'll show you how to list products already in Amazon's catalog. Now, you need to download the inventory loader and pick the right marketplace. For this one, we're gonna pick amazon.com and click the file. Now you will be routed, or you will open the file that you download and read the instruction, the data definitions. These are the columns that you need to provide, and also look at the required. It means that you need to make sure that you provided information for this column, and the others are optional. Now you have the template, and you provide all the information here based on the product that is already existing in Amazon. Just go to amazon.com, get the information that you can see from there, and put the information here since your offer is the same. And once you're done, what you need to do is save the file that is already completed, that you provided all the information that is needed. Let's just say that you have 10 products that you want to add. Add a product, 10 products at a time, and go back to amazon.com and go to your upload your spreadsheet, and you upload here and you put the file that you have. Once it's upload, you can see the status of your upload from here. Once it is successful, it will gonna show as successful. If there are some errors and need some adjustments, it will tell you from the status. So that's how you will upload, that's how you will add listings in bulk that is already existing in Amazon, products that are already existing in Amazon. Also, if you will have an issue about this upload and you can't really fix it on your end, then what you can do is you get the batch ID. Once you upload the file, you will be given a batch ID. Contact seller support and ask for catalog team, provide a batch ID, and they will look at it and help you fix the issue. Now let's go to the product that is completely different or unique and you want to create a new listing. So we'll go back to download spreadsheets, and we're gonna go to list products that are not currently in Amazon's catalog. We're gonna get the product template. You pick the right marketplace, and you also need to pick the right category. It's almost the same earlier when I showed you how to add a product one by one by creating a new listing in the add a product tool. So you need to have the storage and organizer, basket, bins, and containers, and then storage boxes, only amazon.com, and then you generate the template. Let's open it. It's very similar from the file or inventory file that we uploaded earlier. It will also give you the instructions of what information you need to provide. There's an example, data definitions, the columns and what it means, and what is the required information that you need to provide, and you have the template. This is where you upload or input all the information from your listing. And once you're done, you just need to save it, and you go back to amazon.com. You put you go to upload your spreadsheet, upload here. It's almost the same thing. Once you upload it, it will be processed, and you can see the status in here, and you will also see the batch ID. The same thing if you can fix certain things in your in your upload, and then you need to contact seller support, ask for a catalog team, and they will help you resolve any issues with the file that you upload based on the batch ID from that upload. All right, so that's how you add the products via upload in Seller Central. These methods offer flexibility and scalability for listing your products in Amazon. Choose the approach that aligns with your inventory size, business goals, and technical capabilities. For more technical specifications, refer to the Seller Central help page, or if you encounter technical issue that cannot be solved on your end, call for Amazon customer support, specifically ask for feeds department. Choosing the right method to add your products. When it comes to deciding which method to use for adding your products to Amazon, there are several factors to consider. Ask yourself these following questions. How many products do you want to get started with? I advise to get at least some of your listings or soon after registration. Even if it's a small number, this allows you to start generating sales and familiarize yourself with the listing process. Over time, you can invest more time to build the remaining listings. Practice makes perfect. What proportion of your products are already listed in a catalog by sellers? If a significant portion of your products already have existing ASINs on Amazon, you can expedite the listing process by using the inventory loader template to match your offers to existing ASINs. You can quickly add products without creating new listings from scratch. Do your products have accurate UPC information? Having accurate UPC information for your products is essential for matching them to existing ASINs in Amazon. Please avoid duplicate listings and make sure your products are listed under the correct ASIN. If you have a mix of products that require ungating and those that don't, prioritize getting the ungated product listed while waiting for your gating request to be approved. It allows you to start generating sales and become familiar with the listing tools. If majority of your listings or the most strategic part of your catalog is in gated categories, initiating the ungating request process early is crucial to determine if you can list these items on Amazon. By considering these factors and aligning them with the available listing methods, you can efficiently add your products to Amazon's marketplace and start selling effectively. In the next video, we will talk more about listing specifics and how to fix errors or listing issues when you encounter them. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow me for more content like this. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.